Welcome to GM Med School. I am Dr. Madnani, and today we will be diving deep into the topic of intelligence from a neuroscience perspective. So, what are you waiting for? Let's learn. Over 100 years have passed since the introduction of the IQ test back in the early 1900s, and neuroscientists have continuously been debating on the topic of intelligence. So, what is intelligence? Well, intelligence can be defined as a general mental ability for reasoning, problem solving, and learning. Due to its general nature, intelligence integrates cognitive functions such as perception, attention, memory, language, and planning. On the basis of this definition, intelligence can be reliably measured by standardized tests with obtained scores predicting several broad social outcomes such as educational achievement, job performance, health, and longevity. Intelligence is a combination of actions. In order for the human brain to be intelligent, it needs to be able to gather information, retain the information through a strong memory, and learn the information in order to implement it usefully. Types of intelligence. There are 9 types of intelligence: logical mathematical intelligence, linguistic intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, musical intelligence, visual spatial intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, naturalist intelligence, existential intelligence. Areas of brain responsible for intelligence: the cerebroparietal component and the frontal components of the brain are significantly associated with intelligence. The parietal and frontal regions are distinctively associated with intelligence by maintaining the structural networks with the cerebellum and the temporal region. Albert Einstein's brain weighed in at 1,230 grams with an IQ of 160. A normal male human brain's average weight is 1,400 grams. It has an average IQ of 100. The ratios of neurons to glial cells in Einstein's brain were smaller in the 4 areas of his brain that were studied. Einstein's brain had fewer neurons to glial cells than the normal brains. In other words, there were more glial cells for every neuron in Einstein's brain. Most efficient equals most intelligent theory. Intelligence isn't the work of one dedicated brain region but several, all interlinked. In intelligent people, it seems these links and connections are more efficient and organized, requiring less activity overall. Burn it. The idiot brain. A reasonable assumption might be that the most intelligent people are those who exhibit more brain power, in the same way that faster cars have more powerful engines. How to measure intelligence? IQ is known as the intelligence quotient. An intelligence quotient is a total score derived from a set of standardized tests or subtests designed to assess human intelligence. Intelligence is measured using the IQ test. There are 7 parts to an IQ test: verbal intelligence, mathematical ability, spatial reasoning skills, visual perceptual skills, classification skills, logical reasoning skills, pattern recognition skills. So, how exactly is IQ calculated? Mental age over chronological age times 100. Modern advancements into measuring intelligence are being considered and looked into by scientists due to the concepts of intelligence and the IQ test being too basic, and as a result of the increasingly complex world we live in today, alternate tests are being produced due to the various aspects of intelligence. The IQ test is being considered as outdated. New terms such as street smart and book smart are being used to describe intelligence. Only time will tell the direction which intelligence tests take in the near future. This has been a neuroscience perspective on intelligence. This has been Dr. Madnani, and see you next time on GM Med School. Goodbye.